Next, we will see some of the important terms and the definitions. First, we will see what is refuse. Refuse is nothing but we call it waste as a refuse. Means throw it out material. So it is a term indicates the rejected or left out material. So it's called as, it may be in the form of liquid, solid, or semi-solid. Many may be divided into 6 categories, that is the garbage, rubbish, sullage, sewage, and subsoil water, and the storm water. Garbage is nothing but waste which we throw in the dustbin, that is a garbage. Rubbish, that is a waste, just it's a waste material. Sullage, it is in the liquid form, whatever the liquid which comes out from the waste, that is the sullage. Sewage is the that is a wastewater which is been drained out in the bathrooms and the kitchen, that is a sewage. Subsoil water, whatever the water which will moves in the below the soil, that is a subsoil water. Another is a storm water. Storm water is rainwater which flows on the top surface of the ground, that is a storm water. That's about the refuse. Next, we will talk about the garbage. That garbage is a dry refuse. Refuse is nothing but a waste, unwanted material which has been thrown out material. We call it as thrown out material. So that is a dry refuse. Garbage indicates the dry refuse. It includes the waste paper, decayed fruits, vegetable, grass, leaves, sweepings from the streets, markets, and other public places. Thus, the garbage contains a large amount of the organic and putrefying matters. What is this putrefying matters is, putrefying means the decaying matters. That is a garbage. Rubbish is the indicates the sundry solid waste from the offices. So whatever the waste, solid waste which is coming from the office, residence, and any other buildings, that we call it as rubbish. So it also includes the waste building materials, broken furnitures, paper, rags, etc. Generally, this rubbish is a dry and it is a combustible in nature. So that's about rubbish. Next, we will go for the sullage. Sullage is the term which has been indicates the wastewater from the bathrooms and the kitchen and the washing places and wash basins. So the waste water, it just, sullage is nothing but it's a waste water. It does not create a bad smell, since organic matter in it's either absent or negligibly small. Here the water closet means toilet water is not been added. So it is the wastewater from the bathroom, kitchen, washing places, and wash basins. So that is a sullage. Putrefying materials are very bad smell creator is not there. So that's why it's a sullage. Next is the sewage. So next is the sewage. What is this sewage? Sewage is the liquid waste from the community or an area where it includes sullage, means wastewater from the bathroom, kitchen, wash basin, and the washing places. And plus addition to this, the latrines and urinals, and the stable industrial waste, whatever it will comes out, that we call it as sewage. And also ground surface and the storm water, that may be that may be added to the sewers. What is this ground surface means? Whatever the water which runs on the surface of the ground, that is called as ground surface water. Storm water is nothing but rainwater, that can also be added to the sewer. It is extremely putrefiable, means it will decayable solid liquids. So decomposition produces a large quantity of malodorous gases, so dangerous gases, H2S, hydrogen sulfide, gases will get reduces, it may contain numerous pathogenic and diseases producing bacteria. So that's why it is called as sewage water. Next is the another is the subsoil. Uh, Another is the subsoil water. It is groundwater and find it entry to the sewer through the leaks. That is a subsoil water. Means the water which is there in the soil, uh, and it moves through inside the sewer pipeline. Sewage drain water will be there, no drainage pipe. So there it will get entered. So that is called as subsoil water. Next, we will see the storm water. What is this storm water? So it indicates the rainwater of the locality or the area or the community. That is called as storm water. Next is the sanitary sewage. Sanitary sewage or a domestic sewage indicates sewage mainly derived from the residential building and industrial establishments. It is extremely foul in nature. Sanitary sewage may be classified as domestic and industrial sewage. Domestic sewage is the waste water which is coming out from the houses, that is called as a domestic sewage. And the industrial sewage is the waste which is coming out from the industrial sewage, that is known as industrial sewage water. So sanitary sewage, it contains both, that is the domestic, this this is domestic and another is industrial. So it contains both sanitary sewage. It is not a drinking water, it is the waste which is coming out from the bathroom, urinals and all. Uh, that is the domestic waste. And industrial waste, after using the water, that water contains the hard chemicals, dangerous chemicals, um, dangerous diseases causing minerals will be there, which presents in the industrial wastewater. So that is the sanitary sewage. Next, we'll see about the domestic sewage. It is the sewage obtained from the lavatory basins, urinals, public toilets, water closets. Water closet is nothing but latrines. Water closets of the residential buildings or public buildings or office buildings or theaters and other government institutions or public institutions, since it contains human excreta and urine. So it has been extremely foul in nature. Bad smell. Foul, that is nothing but bad smell in nature. Next is the industry sewage. So what is this industry sewage? Industry sewage, it is the waste water obtained from the industrial and the commercial establishment. It may contain objectionable organic compounds that may be very inconvenient or being are convenient to the conventional treatment process. The wastewater which comes out from the industries, that can be treated. So that is the industrial sewage. Next is the night soil. It has been termed as the after humans or animal excreta, after it get dried. So it is in the solid state, that we call it as night soil. Okay. Next, we'll see about sewer. Sewer, what is this? Sewer is the it is the underground pipeline where the disposal of the water which will be carried out. What is the disposal of the water? What type of the water it will get it will get drained or removed? That is the wastewater from the bathroom, kitchen, urinals, water closet and public buildings. That is the one type of the discharge from the house, old or disposal. and another is the wastewater disposal from the industrial waste. This is the two types which is being removed. The water, the wastewater will be removed. Another is storm water drains. That is storm water. Storm means that it is nothing but rainwater. The rainwater which whatever the it will falls on the road, so that will be removed by the sewer lines. That will be placed, the sewer lines that will be placed on either side of the road. So there is a combination of the sewers also. What is this combination of the sewers is the sewage water and the storm water. Storm water means rainwater plus the wastewater from the kitchen, bathroom and all, that will be combined together and that will be removed out from the area. That is a combined sewers. Next is the house sewer. That is a sewer is a pipeline, pipe carrying away the sewage from the building to street sewer. There will be one is main sewer and another is a receiving. Another will be branches of the this sewers. So these will be serving as the outlet for the draining of the wastewater from the residential area. So there will maybe a lateral sewers also, where the sewer which collects the sewage directly from the houses, and it will be taken away from the to larger area where the collection point or the depression point will be, where the sewer depression is there, where the section of the sewers will be constructed at a lower point adjacent to the section to pass us beneath the without any obstacle, where the flow will takes place by gravity flow. Means automatically the sewage water, it will be flown without any forces. It will be flown like how the rainwater will be falls on the ground, how it will be flowed from an upper part to the lower part. Like that, the sewage water will also move from the upper part to the lower part. Upper part will be residential area, lower part will be the treatment part. So this whatever the water will be there, that will be sewage water from the all the residential houses and the public buildings. It will be drain out or it will flow out to the out of the community or out of the area by the gravitational flow. So that's about the sewers. Sewers is nothing but a pipeline where the flowing will be taking place. That flowing is nothing but drain water or toilet water, from the residential area, industrial areas, or public buildings. So that is a sewers. Sewers, just you keep it in your mind, that is a pipeline.